Accessories also complement other faucet brands. Pair of Mason mounting posts, towel bars, and paper holders sold separately. Made in China. Chrome finish to create a bright, highly reflective, cool gray metallic look. The Pro-Fit installation system eliminates set screws for faster, more durable mounting. Includes a template with a built-in level. Concealed screw mounting design. Limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Looks good. Decent quality for the price. Moen is a good brand, but this line of accessories is essentially builder grade, thus the relative price. The matching TP holder has a spring-loaded bar, not swivel. This towel ring is sturdy enough to do the job and better than an even cheaper one I bought once, but not as nice as their higher-priced Voss line I used to have. The ring is super easy to install. It has a black bracket you mount to the wall, preferably to a stud, but it comes with a screw and molly if not. A single screw holds the bracket to the wall. Slide the cone-shaped ring holder onto the bracket and click it into place. It can be removed again if needed by pushing up on the tiny black tab of the bracket, but it can be tricky to do. The hardest part of installation is measuring and marking where you want it. Installation itself takes just a couple minutes.